Hey guys, so come along as I continue helping my brother organize his anime themed bedroom. I bought a couple of shelf display things from Amazon. I'll link everything down below in case you're interested. But basically in this section, I wanted to use some acrylic ones just because I thought it would look awesome. And again, I'll show you guys later how cool this looks. So yeah, I put two acrylic shelves on here, and I was thinking that we could put the Berserk books underneath and then the mini figurines on top. Even like a regular Funko Pop fits on there too, like the way that I measured and divided everything. It turned out so cool. Again, I will show you guys at the end how everything turned out. Now let's move on to the desk area. So on the right corner, there's like an empty space. So I got these black wooden shelves. I was so happy with these because they resemble like the same material as the desk. So it looked so cool. Again, stay tuned in the end. I will show you guys the final like tour. Now let's move on to this section. Here we decided to hang his swords. I bought these acrylic sword holders from Amazon again. And so yeah, this is a quick tour of how everything turned out. I love it because we're using up a lot of the space, but it still looks pretty cool. Here's a closer look on how we displayed his little mini figurines. I'm telling you, the acrylic shelves look so awesome here. And then here's a closer look at the black shelves. Oh, so adorable. Again, I'm so happy. He's very happy. We're both happy. Yay! And so yeah, and then this is how the swords look like. We still need to hang two more up, but I need to order more of the holder things. But yeah, then lastly, because his birthday's coming up, I thought he could open up part of his gift because it kind of went with us decorating his room. So yeah. What did you get?
What I tell you? What I tell you?
Okay.
I'm gonna use this one. Hell no.
Okay, so we'll get this one to Danny.
What I tell you? I knew it. I just knew it.
Oh, this is nice. Yeah, he was happy with just one of them. Again, it was a little mystery box, so you don't really know what you're gonna get. But yeah, we hanged it up right there in that cable. And so yeah, that was our day.